chemicals. Mama, I'm sure on the handle now. Get around. Yeah. On the handle now. Oh, baby.
Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Drums and Data. Once again, I'm Andy with Integrity Data Insights, and today, once again, we're talking about data quality challenges that can be so hard to handle for your organization. In previous videos, we've covered several topics. If you missed those, they'll be linked below. But in our previous videos, we've talked about what are the common data quality categories, what are the common areas that most companies struggle with as far as data quality issues. We've also talked about some ways to identify them, some techniques to know where you stand. Then we also did a whole segment on some strategies for how do you get these things resolved? How do you fix them? So today we're going to talk about monitoring data quality issues. How do you know kind of where you stand and what's the trend? Are we getting better? Are we getting worse? We're going to dig into that right now. So today I want to talk about data quality dashboards. And a data quality dashboard is just like any other kind of dashboard you might have within your company, but these are specifically for your data quality. So you can see the trends, you can see, where you stand. Are you dealing with duplicates? Are you dealing with inaccuracies? All those previous things we talked about in our previous videos. You can put those all in a data quality dashboard. So let's look at some examples of data quality dashboards in action. So you can see here they have different measurements for different categories. You can see completeness, timeliness, validity, accuracy, all these different metrics, and these can be tailored to whatever makes sense for your organization. But if you're having a big problem with data duplication, if you're having a big problem with inaccuracies, those are metrics you'd want on your dashboard so you could kind of know where you stand. You can see in this second example here, they have kind of a very large data quality score, health score, that is going on there. And then they also have some trends. And want to call your attention to this one in the bottom right corner here. This is really interesting. This kind of shows by source. So you can kind of see the different metrics by source and how they're doing quality-wise. So some really, really good options there for displaying how you're doing with your data quality metrics. Here's another one that has a slightly different format, but you can see here I love the color coding and the very easy to tell, kind of what's going on. So you can kind of easily see where you have problems and where you might not. So a data quality dashboard can really give you a lot of options within your organization to kind of get a pulse on what you're doing. I know I talked in a previous video about, you need to keep score. You really need the business to know kind of what you're doing as far as your efforts to clean up the data and if it's moving the needle. So a data quality dashboard can be a really good asset to have to communicate that value to your business stakeholders. We built one of these for our clients, and it was really great. They could go in and they could pick, different segments and different metrics even, and they could kind of see exactly where they stood, and they could get examples on where the problems were. So if they said, hey, show me some inaccurate data or some where some data duplication, they could filter it out and easily pull up exactly those categories exactly those records so that they could do something about them. So thanks again, everyone, for joining me. Once again, I am Andy with Integrity Data Insights. If you need help setting up a data quality dashboard, we'd love to talk to you. Go to our website, integritydi.com, click on the schedule a consultation link, or you can message me on LinkedIn. I'd love to start a conversation and see how I can help you and your company. Thanks again, everyone.